Okay, so I thought I would drop another short video to tell you that I added a couple of things onto the Florida Boy Survival YouTube, Facebook pages. Number one is, some of you know that I already have a Florida Boy Survival Facebook group, and I will leave a link to that in the description of the video. The link to that's in the description of every one of my videos. So if you would like to join the Florida Boy Survival Facebook page, just go down and click that link and I will approve you. I'm the only one, me or my wife will approve you. So the Facebook page notwithstanding, I decided to create a Discord page because I'm on Discord. You know, I do a little bit of gaming on a Discord page, and I do some investments. I'm in some investment groups and stuff like that on Discord, and Discord's pretty cool. So I already had a Discord account, so I just created a Florida Boy Survival Discord page. And it's a page where I'm going to be the initial administrator, and I'm going to be live on that page. It's got a voice channel to where if you want to talk with me and and hang out, we can hang out in a room and stuff like that. It's going to have another page where you can, or another caption in the Discord where you can, if you're a content creator and you do videos, you can post your videos on there so we can all see your videos. Or if you don't, I'm going to post my videos on there also. So I'm going to post them on Discord, I'm going to post them on YouTube, and they're on the Facebook page. But the Discord page is going to be really cool. It's going to be a place that you can come to discuss bushcraft, survival, camping, outdoor stuff, and any kind of stuff like that. There's only going to be a couple of rules for the Discord page. The first and foremost rule is no politics at all. No Republicans, Democrats, Independents, no Trump, Biden, no nothing, no politics, absolutely not. Any mention of any politics, and I'll give you one warning, and then I'll ban you from the page. Number two, no religion, same story. One warning, then I'll ban you from the page. I don't want to hear no politics, no religion. This is about camping and bushcraft and outdoor stuff and hiking. And camping and cooking out in the wild and hanging out and drinking beer out in the woods and whatever you want to talk about. That's what the page is for. The third rule, and the most important rule, is don't be an asshole. There will probably in time be several people on the Discord channel. Some people know a lot more than others. I don't want you to talk down to other people who may not know more than you do or as much as you do. I don't want people to get talked down to. This is not a thing to where, it's bushcraft and survival. What happens if the shit totally hits the fan and everybody got to bug out? The people that don't know as much as other people, they're trying to learn. So please don't talk down to anybody on the page and on the channel. Otherwise, we can go get in some discussions about whatever you guys want to get into discussions about, and live discussions. Discord is really, really cool for that. It's even better than like a YouTube live. So if you would like to be on the Florida Boy Survival Facebook page, we can interact on the Facebook page too. There's a link to the Facebook page in the description of every one of my videos. Plus, I'm going to start putting a link to join the Discord channel in this video, in the description of this video, and also in every other future video. So I invite you to please come on and join the Discord channel, and we can discuss some stuff and have a good time. And that's pretty much all I got today. So everybody, please join the Discord channel if you would like to come on and chat with me about really, really cool stuff. And that's about it. So with that being said, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy, and I will see you on the trail.